Okay, good morning, dear children.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
So straight
ma'am.
away we can move into the topic. So today we are going to discuss about another important vegetations which are found in our India. Okay, so that is thorn forest and scrubs. So in the previous days we had discussed about tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest, and in this class we are going to discuss about the thorn forest and scrubs. What's the meaning of thorn?
It's a sharp
A sharp?
Plants.
like cactus.
Yeah, like cactus. Okay. Okay, so let us start the topic. Let me share the screen. Okay. The thorn forest and scrubs. Ellen, please read the first point.
The thorn forest and scrubs.
Thorn forest and scrubs. Okay, that's a heading.
The region with less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. The natural consistence of thorny trees and bushes.
Okay, so the thorn forest consists of thorny trees and bushes. Okay, the thorn forest and scrubs, that is one kind of natural vegetation, and it consists of thorny trees and bushes. It consists of thorny trees and bushes, and these forests are found in the regions which receives less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. Okay, so thorn forest and scrubs is an example of natural vegetation, and it consists of thorny trees and bushes. It consists of thorny trees and thorny bushes. And these forests are found in the regions which receives less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. Okay. So these forests are found in the regions that receives less than 70 centimeter of rainfall per year. These types of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of the country. So these types of vegetation, the thorn forest and thorn bushes are found in the northwestern part of our India. And it also found in the semi-arid areas. And it also found in the semi-arid areas. What's the meaning of semi-arid?
Semi-water liquid.
Yes, that area receives less amount of water, or that area receives less amount of rainfall. Such kind of areas are known as semi-arid. Arid means dry. That is not completely dry, but semi-dry. Okay, because that area receives some amount of water. In that areas also we can find the thorn forest. Semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. So, the thorn forest and scrubs. That is one kind of natural vegetation found in our. Please mute your mic. Okay. Thorn forest and scrubs are one kind of forest which consists of thorny trees and thorny bushes. So these forests are grown, or these forests are found in the area which receives less than 70 centimeter of rainfall per year. These types of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of our country. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of our country, and this kind of vegetations are found in the semi-arid areas. Ellen, what are the semi-arid areas of our country?
With less water.
Yes, that area receives less amount of rainfall. That area is known as semi-arid areas. That area is not completely dry because that area receives less amount of water. In that areas also we can find the thorn forest. The semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. So these forests are found in these areas. The regions with less than 70 centimeter of rainfall, the natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of our country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. Let us see what are the characteristics of this forest. Trees are scattered. Trees are scattered. That means they are found in various locations. They are found in various locations. We cannot see them all together. They are scattered. Trees are scattered and have long roots. And have long roots penetrating deep into the soil to get moisture. So the trees are scattered. We cannot find in one particular place. It is found in different places or found in different locations. And these trees have long roots. These trees have long roots to go deep inside the soil, in search of water. Okay, they have long roots penetrating deep into the soil to get moisture. The trees, they have long roots. Why do they need long roots, Vaishnavi? Why do they need long roots?
And to get the moisture.
Okay, to get the moisture, yes, to survive. Because the trees, they have long roots. With the help of the long roots, they can go inside the soil or they can go deep into the soil in order to search water, in order to get moisture. Okay. The stems are moist to conserve water. The stems are moist or the stems are succulent to conserve water. We know that the plants have thick and fleshy leaves. The plants have thick and fleshy leaves. Okay. The stems are moist to conserve water. The plants have thick and fleshy leaves adapted to store water or to conserve water. Okay, the next point. Trees have thick and small leaves to preserve water content. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. To reduce the evaporation, the trees of this area have thick and small leaves. Thick and small leaves to minimize evaporation. So these are the special features of the thorn forest, or these are the special characteristics of this forest. The trees are scattered because they are found in different places and they have long roots to go deep into the soil to get moisture. The stems are moist to conserve water and the trees have thick and small leaves to minimize evaporation. So these are the special features of thorn forest. Amin Shafiq, what are the special features of the thorn forest? Dear children, please turn on your cameras. Abhiram Krishna, Nadeem, Nigila Mary, everyone, turn on your cameras. Okay, tell me what are the features of Thorn forest.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil to get moisture.
Okay, to get
The
moisture.
stems are moist to conserve water.
Okay.
Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation.
Okay, minimize vibration. Okay, so these are the special features of thorn forest. Then let us see what are the plants grown in this forest. Acacias, palms, acacias, palms, and euphorbias and cacti are the main plant species grown in this forest. Acacias, palms, euphorbias, cacti are the main plant species grown in this forest. Amaljit baby, what are the plant species found in this forest? What are the different types of plants or what are different types of trees found in this forest?
Acacias,
Acacias,
palms,
palm trees,
euphorbias,
euphorbias,
and cacti are the
and
main
cacti.
plant
Okay, and
species.
cacti are the main plant species. Some common animals are also found in this forest. They are rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses, and camel. So these are the common animals. These are the common animals which are found in the thorn forest. What are the animals? Adlio, what are the animals?
Rat, mice,
Yes, rat, mice.
fox, wolf,
Yes, fox,
tiger,
wolf,
wild ass,
tiger.
horses.
Okay, wild as horses and camels. Okay, Nigila Mary,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, can you tell me a few points about thorn forest and shrubs?
Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating through the soil in order to get moisture.
Okay,
Stems are succulent to conserve water. Leaves are most thick and small to minimize evaporation.
okay.
The common animals are rat, mice, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horses, and camel.
Okay. So these forests are found in the area which receives less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. These forests are found in the arid regions. These forests are found in the arid regions of our country like Gujarat, Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh,
Uttar Pradesh,
and
and
Uttar
Haryana.
Pradesh. And they have long roots to go deep inside the soil in order to get moisture. Okay, we can come back after watching a small video. Please tell me. Tell me a few points about thorn forest and shrubs. Unmute, unmute.
The region has less than 70 centimeter rain. The plants are modified to use less water because of the dry region. Roots are moist.
Roots are moist.
Sorry,
No.
not that.
Roots are long.
Roots are long.
Yes, roots are long. Okay, then.
The stem is designed to conserve water.
Okay.
The common animals are rats, foxes, horses, camels.
Okay. Okay. Then we can move into the next forest. That is mangrove forest. Mangrove. Mangrove forests are also known as tidal forest. Mangrove forests are also known as tidal forest. This forest can survive in both fresh and salt water. Okay, this forest can survive or this forest can live in both fresh and salt water. Mangrove forests are also known as tidal forest, and these forests are grown in both fresh and salt water. So mangrove are the group of trees and shrubs that live in coastal areas. So what are mangroves? Mangroves are the group of trees. Mangroves are the group of trees and shrubs that live in coastal areas. That live in coastal areas. Mangroves are the trees that live along the tropical coastlines. Okay, so mangrove forests are also known as tidal forest, and it can survive or it can live in both fresh and salt water. So mangrove forests are the group of forests or shrubs that live in the coastal areas. That live in the coastal areas. So there are about 80 different species of mangrove trees. There are about 80 different species of mangrove trees. The mangrove or tidal forest are found in areas of coast influenced by tides. So I said earlier, the mangrove forests are found in the coastal areas. Okay, these forests are found in the side of the river, or it is found in the side of the oceans and seas. So mangrove forests are grown by the side of the coast and on the edges of the delta. Delta, we know already, we had studied about delta. So these forests are found in the coastal areas and also found in the deltaic regions. It is found in the river mouth also. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coast. Mud and silt get accumulated or get gathered on such coast. In these coastal areas, mostly we can find mangrove forest. Mangrove forest are the group of trees or shrubs that grown in the coastal areas. It is also known as tidal forest. It is also known as tidal forest, and it can survive or it can live in both fresh and salt water. It can live in both fresh and salt water. The mangrove or tidal forest are found in areas of coast influenced by tides. There are about 80 different species of mangrove trees. These forests grow by the side of the coast. Mangrove forests are found in the side of the coast or by the side of the coast. So we can find mangrove forest on the islands of Andaman and Nicobar, and also we can find in the Lakshadweep. Okay. Okay, mangrove forests are also known as tidal forest, and it can survive in both fresh and salt water. These mangrove forests are mostly grown in the coastal areas. So in the coastal areas of our mainland or the coastal areas of our India, mostly we can find mangrove forest. It is also found in the deltaic regions. What are the deltaic regions in our India? What are the important deltas?
Ma'am, Sundarban.
Sundarbans Delta. Okay, Sundarbans Delta. Then the deltas of Ganga, the deltas of Mahanadi, deltas of Kaveri, deltas of Krishna. In almost all the river areas, we can find mangrove forest. Okay, so we know that the river water, it's a very fresh water. So mangrove forest can grow in both fresh and the salt water. So we can find in the deltaic regions as well as in the coastal areas. So the mangrove forests are found in the coastal areas of our India. So we can find in the islands of Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar. And it is also found in the deltaic regions of our India. The deltas are the deltas of Ganga, Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri. So in these areas, we can find the thick vegetation of mangrove forest. Okay, so there are 80 different types of mangrove trees are found in our India. So this mangrove forest prevent soil erosion. This mangrove forest prevent soil erosion. It prevent soil erosion. It provide natural infrastructure. It provide natural infrastructure. Okay, infrastructure and protect to nearby areas, especially during the time of cyclones or during the hurricane, tsunami. And that days or in those times, these mangrove forests are protecting the people, those who are living in that area. So they are act as a natural, or they act as a natural barriers, or we can call them it as a shore keepers. Shore keepers. Shore keepers. Dense mangrove are the common varieties with roots of plants submerged under water. Dense mangroves are the common varieties with roots of the plants submerged under water. Sundari trees. Sundari trees are found in the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. Sundari trees. Beautiful trees. No, the name of that tree is Sundari tree. Sundari trees are found in the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, and Sundari trees provide hard timber. Sundari trees provide hard timber. Royal Bengal tiger, our national animal, is famous animal in this forest. The Royal Bengal tiger are mostly found in the deltaic areas, deltaic area of Ganga and Brahmaputra. And this animal is found in the mangrove forest. So which is the largest mangrove forest in the world? Which is the largest? Sundarbans. Okay. Largest mangrove forest in the world is Sundarbans Reserve Forest. Sundarbans Reserve Forest. RF. I'll show the video in the next class because there is no time. The other teacher is waiting here. Adigesh?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, teacher, please tell me a few points about mangrove forest. Okay, Adigesh, you can start. We'll
They are
continue by
also known.
Suryadev. Okay.
They are also known as tidal forests.
Okay.
Mangroves are trees that live along the tropical coastlines.
Hmm.
They live in both fresh and salt
Salt
water.
water. Okay.
Then the mangrove trees are found in the areas of coast influenced by tides.
Hmm.
There are about 80 different species.
Okay, different
These
species.
forests
Okay, continue by
grow.
Suryadev.
They are mostly found in the deltas of Ganga, Brahmaputra,
Brahmaputra, Kaveri.
Krishna.
Okay.
In the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found. Sundarban delta is the largest mangrove forest.
Okay. Largest mangrove forest in the world. And it is located in the southwestern part of Bangladesh. Okay. Sundarban Delta is
Royal
located
Bengal
at the southwestern part of Bangladesh. Okay, continue.
Royal Bengal tiger is the common animal in this
Animal
forest.
which is found in the mangrove forest. Okay, dear children, we can wind up the session and we'll meet you in the next class. At that time, I'll show you the video related to mangrove forest. Then again, we have only one more forest, that is mountain forest. That also we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, dears? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
See
you.
you, ma'am. Bye.